Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an Cafe MLO which have a secret casino room into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is MLO which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can see the preview video of the MLO. Now you just need to scroll down over here. Then click over here and get the MLO into your keymaster. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is a cafeteria which we just installed into our FiveM server. The location of the cafeteria in the map is over here, as you can see. Now let's get inside the cafeteria. So this is the first look of our cafeteria, as you can see. You can see the chairs and tables placed over here. And this is the counter of our cafeteria, as you can see. Now from here, you can go outside and sit over here.
Got these tickets to the Benders game today.
This is the back side of our cafeteria, as you can see. Over there is one more door. Let's check out that place. So as you can see, this is the back side of our cafeteria, and this is a small garage over here. Now in this back side, you just need to come over here, and there is a secret door over here, as you can see. Now we just need to go down. And this is the passage of the secret casino, as you can see. So over here you can see this is the secret casino inside the cafeteria, as you can see. So this is the casino bench over here, and there are some slot machines, and over here there is a room, and this is the boss room over here, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.